Hello, so we continue now with our extensions, set extensions and made painting. And right now we'll go in Photoshop. We'll take our first frame. So we're importing first frame, and also the one thing you will notice, it's kind of sometimes shrink because it was with 1 pixel rate. So let's go to adjust. So we'll go image size. We'll just type 1920. So we'll expand this way. This is one image, and now let's go bring in our castle and the alpha. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy. So let's go Control C, right here, channels, add channel, Control V, Control and click, so it's kind of select them. Again, Control C here, copy, and we'll just paste them right here. Okay. Also, if you notice, it's a little bit lower, so what I want to do, I want to actually Control copy this and move it, and I probably just want to place somewhere around here. This will be my castle. I mean tower, and just let's put it roofs. Okay. So let's go on a tower. We'll just slightly decrease so I can preview where it's going. And we'll select maybe harder edge right now. Raise. You can do also as well, just select tool if you want it. Okay. Let's go select softer edge. Yes, slightly going here. Okay, so let's go zoom in and just raise some more right here. Wow. So you can see this is already castle look, kind of nice, except maybe white edges. I want to have it my eraser and just slightly take it down here, so it's kind of blend in a little bit better. Okay, as well, let's just decreasing opacity maybe to 80-90. It will give it this sky will go through, and in some cases it will look more hazy, so more distance. You can see how simulating haze. Okay, let's go now look on our houses. We do have some houses right here applied, and what we can do, we can go on a background, select our stamp tool on the trees, click select trees, go a layer above. We don't want stamp on that first image, and just kind of a little bit high. Those buildings with the terrain as well is right here. We can see we have a lot of buildings on the background. So let's go to our background, going out, select maybe around here, go a step above. We'll just kind of hiding them with the trees. Okay, maybe some around there as well. Okay. And also I want distant enough so you won't see them. But overall, what I want to show you it is how you can adjust with layers and create your own painting, made painting with this You know what? Let me do a couple of things on the tower. We'll just go ahead burn tool and just maybe adjust right here. Few things. Make it a bit age more on our tower. Maybe look on bottom as well. Okay, we can spend more time to blend in, to add rocks and other things. Let's go. Next, what I want to do is select two layers, Control E to merge them together, disable. So this is our kind of what we're going to save, and we'll go save this as PSD Photoshop file, and we'll import an After Effects. So let's go to file, save. Go to frame 1. Okay. Let me go check one more time. Yeah, wait us. Just be sure we save right ways. Okay. Here's was our first one. Now we're going ahead and start working on our second frame. So we'll import image as well. Image size. So I want to be sure it's 920 in proportion set. Okay. Let's go now to select our second frame. We'll do the same things. We go right here, Control C, copy. Okay, let's go on this one. Select channel, create new alpha, paste, Control and click. So we'll select there. Be sure you select the RGB top layer. Okay, we'll get Control C, copy here, and we'll go ahead and paste. Oops, wrong ones. So let's go back to our channel. Okay, right here. So we select the RGB channels. Now we copy and paste. We don't need it alpha one. Okay, and we probably can position some maybe in here or around right here. It's what was playing originally. Okay, let's go right now. Take again our razor. You can do a razor, or if you want, you can just go ahead, kind of go around, select it this way. It's more transparency. And we'll just start kind of blending in. If you run over, you can always undo a little bit and just okay, and here we have our cart. I'll just go on a cart and maybe to raise some stuff around here, so it's most natural look. Okay, we can pop up back at this point. That's a little bit high contrast. Let's go slightly. Like blending in. Okay, so when we're done, go ahead, let's save this piece. And file, we save, and we save as PSD, and we'll call frame 2. Okay, let's go to our frame 3. Here is our original view, and here is our castle. So we'll do the same thing. We'll just go right here, channels, create new, Control V to paste, Control select, select RGB, copy, and paste right here. Okay, at this point we can see probably right here will be a good position for this castle. Around here. So let's go again, make opacity smaller. Yeah, and of course you can go ahead, just have it very rough cut off. Now we can zoom in, go ahead with our eraser, start kind of blending in. The one thing I noticed right here, we have a piece sticking out. Let's see if we need to put it castle slightly down, like right here maybe. Okay. Erase this one. And you know what, I maybe want pop up, so have a little bit bigger area. Okay. Let's go erase right here too. Again, on 2K, this is kind of fast to do matte painting, but it's, you have some ideas how it can be done, and if you do it, there you go, here's our castle. And you can spend much more time by adjusting darkness, shadows, you know, to make it age a little bit more. Add some terrain options. For example, you can go ahead select this rock right here, or you can do from any other pictures. So paste it right there, just put a rock like right here maybe. That place. And kind of blend it in. Then this is give you some ideas how you can take from other terrain and build it, and be sure it is on a separate layer, so when we start importing they will be there. It is kind of nice if you can do transparency. Sometimes you cannot, so what you need to do is go ahead in your image adjustment contrast and just reduce a little bit lower contrast and make castle blend more in with your background. So let's go do this way. Just let's go pop up. Brightness, contrast, let's give it us a little bit look more hazy. A little bit look. Let's go adjustment. We also can go ahead and just a little bit destroy colors. That's what happened with distance object. The colors is not bright, and this is will kind of serve purpose for us. So we're done on this one. Let's go ahead And be sure you merge the layers together, because when we start importing After Effects, it will ask you what layer you want to import, and preferably if they all can be on one layer. So let's go File, Save, go Frame 3. Okay, so here we finish creating our overlays, kind of made paintings, will be pieces we placed over our video. And the next step, we'll go and start doing this, merge them in After Effects, and it will be our another part of tutorial.